This presentation is of mercury contamination of dental offices using silver mercury fillings by Tiffen. The table of contents is as follows. Figure 1 is the composition of amalgam. Figure 2 is blood mercury levels of dental professionals. Figure 3 is the decline of amalgam sales in dentistry. Figure 4 is the pathways of mercury waste to the environment from dental practices. Figure 5 is waste management techniques for dental amalgam. The purpose of this presentation is to demonstrate how dentists are exposed to mercury through the use of amalgam fillings, and how amalgam waste can affect the environment. We would like to explain the composition of dental amalgam and how it contributes to mercury contamination. We'll describe the relationship between dentists and occupational exposure to mercury. We'll discuss the routes of amalgam waste to the environment and illustrate how there is a decline in amalgam use in dentistry in the United States. And then we'll review proper waste management of dental amalgam and the use of amalgam separators in the dental practice. So, what is dental amalgam? Dental amalgam is a metal filling material that dentists use to restore cavity preparations. Its benefits include its durability and low cost, while on the other hand, these amalgam fillings are almost 50% mercury by composition as displayed by this pie chart. The biggest concern with amalgams is when they are replaced. People often ask to exchange these metal fillings for the more aesthetic and biocompatible composite fillings, but when dentists go to drill out the old amalgam, mercury in the form of vapor is released in high concentrations. Figure 2 demonstrates the relationship between dental professionals and mercury contamination. In a study of mercury in dentistry performed in Lahore, Pakistan, 37 dentists, 31 dental assistants, and 30 control subjects, for a total of 98 subjects, submitted blood samples to be analyzed. The results of this study suggest that blood mercury levels were significantly higher in dental professionals than that of other control subjects. We've established that a correlation between mercury contamination and dentistry does exist. As a response, dentists have been utilizing alternatives to amalgam for restorative materials. This figure demonstrates a significant decline in the tons of amalgam sold in the U.S. each year. From 2001 to 2013, there was approximately a 48% decline in the amount of amalgam sold in the U.S. The use of amalgam is becoming less popular due to equally effective yet more aesthetic restorative materials. Despite the fact that amalgam use is on the decline, dental practices are still contributing to environmental contamination with mercury. When dentists use and remove amalgam fillings, the excess waste has to go somewhere. This table demonstrates the routes to the environment from the dental practice. In fact, approximately 300 tons of mercury are released to the environment from dental practices each year. Of that 300 tons, most of the waste is released into the soil and the atmosphere, and only 40 to 50 tons of that waste is properly recycled. This graph demonstrates the effectiveness of waste management devices that are commonly used in dental practices. Your average vacuum filler is the least effective, capturing only 40% of amalgam waste, while chairside traps are slightly more effective, capturing 70% of amalgam waste. These two devices, while not alone are perfect, they are often used in concert to maximize amalgam waste captured. Amalgam separators are a hot topic in waste management and dentistry right now, due to their high degree of effectiveness and efficiency, capturing nearly 99% of dental amalgam waste. Dental offices in the United States are required to implement them in their dental offices as of 2017. To summarize what we have discussed, dental amalgam is a restorative material whose composition is nearly half mercury. Dental professionals tend to have a higher blood mercury level due to exposure in dental practices. Amalgam sales and use of amalgam in dentistry is on the decline. but amalgam waste contaminates the environment if not recycled properly. Amalgam separators are an efficient and effective means of managing waste in the dental practice and will become more readily used as of 2017.